nice, pretty, and shiny lens covers. Don't those look pretty? Not only do you get that, as well as a bag of all the hardware that you need. The trick to putting these in, enough foam tape to go around the edges. So you get a roll of foam tape. Nothing really special about that. You can buy more at Home Depot. But he also sends you an entire bag of hardware of all the screws and the WA8 large area washers to install it with. These are really great. They're easy to change. You just need to be very careful drilling the Lexan. You can buy a plexiglass bit. My preferred method is I use a regular drill that I have dulled the bit on. They sit in a special tray, and I turn them backwards. I'm literally burning my way through the Lexan. Put them on the airplane. You'll have to trim them down a little bit to get them to fit snug, but once you have them in place, find where the holes are, doom, 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 doom. Drill the holes, put the tape on, push them in, push the number 832 screws through the large area washers into the machine captures, and you are good to go. And then once you have it on the airplane, take a very small drill bit, and again, very carefully drill a drain hole on the bottom so that any moisture that collects in here has a path out of the aircraft. Again, I'd like to thank you for watching YouTube's Grumman Pilots channel. This directly supports Grumman Pilots Association, and we are your GPA. Thanks for watching.